Want to break into the tech industry? Learn the art of software testing and become a key player in delivering flawless applications with VTuit's QA software testing training. Quality assurance is one of the most in-demand careers in tech. With jobs growing rapidly and competitive salaries, now is the perfect time to join this booming field. Our curriculum is designed for industry relevance. From manual testing to automation tools like Selenium, TestNG, and JUnit, you'll gain practical skills through hands-on projects and real-world simulations. At VTuit, we don't just teach, we prepare you for success. With experienced instructors, hands-on projects, and personalized job placement support, you'll be ready to thrive in the tech industry. Upon completing the course, you'll unlock opportunities in roles like QA analyst, automation engineer, and more. Join the growing network of VTuit graduates thriving in top companies. Don't wait. Transform your career with VTuit's QA software testing training. Visit VTuit and start your journey today.